Let's talk about the book of Job. I know many of us know him kasi 'di ba siya yung ang daming sufferings ang nangyari sa buhay na experience sa buhay but he was still faithful to God. Alam niyo ba na Job is the fifth person sa Bible na nabasa ko na tinawag mismo ni God na my servant? So, the first one is of course Abraham. Ang second ay si Moses. Third ay si Caleb. Fourth, si David. At ito na si Job, yung fifth person. So, paano nagsimula yung mga sufferings ni Job? So, one day, when the angels of God presented themselves to God, nakipunta din itong si Satan. God asked Satan, sabi niya, "Oh, where have you come from?" Tapos sinagot naman niya si God, ang sabi niya, "Pabalik-balik lang ako sa earth, walking up and down on it," sabi niya ganun. Tapos sabi ni God, "Have you considered my servant Job? He was an upright person, he is blameless," sabi niya ganun. Tapos sabi ni Satan, kaya lang naman siya nag-fear sa'yo kasi binibless mo siya. Madami siyang possession sa earth, sabi niya ganun. So, God allowed him to test Job. And doon na nagsimula yun. So, una, na wala yung mga properties ni Job, yung wealth niya. And then, second, namatay yung mga anak niya, yung 7 sons and 3 daughters niya. And yung third one is yung nagkaroon siya ng leprosy. So, si Job ay naging sobrang depressed and he was asking God bakit nangyari sa kanya yon. And while he was suffering, pumunta yung 3 friends niya sa kanya na hindi ko naman talaga alam kung talagang friends sila. Because instead of comforting him, they just made him feel more miserable. Kasi sabi nung isa, "I don't believe that you're innocent." Sabi niyang ganun. Siguro hindi ka talaga innocent, hindi ka talaga mabait na tao kaya ka nire-reject ni God, sabing ganun. Tapos sabi naman nung second friend niya, "You are a wicked person because God punishes wicked people," sabi niyang ganun. Tapos itong si third one naman sabi, "You know, mas matindi pa dapat ang ma-receive mo, mas matindi pa dapat ang maranasan mo because you are like that." Sabing gano'n ng mga friends niya. Ito naman si Job, kahit na kung ano-ano pa ang marinig niya dun sa mga friends niya, hindi talaga siya pumapayag. He did not agree na he was a bad person kasi alam niya yung sarili niya. He knows himself. Alam niya na wala siyang ginagawang masama. So, kahit na he was asking God, why is it happening to him? At kahit na naniniwala siya na it is God's doing, hindi pa rin siya nawawala ng faith kay God. So, yun yung strength ni Job. And on the last part ng Book of Job, God restores all, lahat ng nawala kay Job. And mas doble pa yung ibinigay niya. So, yun. So, sana meron po kayo natutunan sa Book of Job. Thank you po for watching. God bless you. God bless us po.